Tinubu has reportedly awarded his son Seyi and sons of his friends $13 billion Lagos Calabar highway contract. Hey! Shey una dey see wetin Tinubu dey do. Una dey see wetin Tinubu dey do. This is exactly why he carefully chose his own cabinet. I was telling people that Tinubu choosing Akpabio into office is for a reason. If you check all the people that Tinubu brought into office, they are all the people that have bad record in the past, of which the constitution never permitted. And he did that because he knows that these are the people that will be loyal and listening to him. Can you imagine? $13 billion contracts. Tinubu don't finish us. He don't finish us. All right, my people, let's quickly go straight to the content. This is today's news. High-Tech Construction Company Limited, a firm owned by Chagori Brothers, has recently been awarded a high-profile contract to construct a 700-kilometer coastal highway in Nigeria. This contract, worth approximately $13 billion, has been granted without undergoing the typical public bidding process, raising concern among various stakeholders. The project, which is expected to unfold in phases, has already been the subject of controversy and scrutiny. The controversy surrounding this contract has intensified following the release of leaked documents that reveals a potentially troubling connection between the Chagori brothers and the current administration. According to the document, Oluwaseyi Tinubu, the son of the Nigerian president, Bola Tinubu, was previously a majority shareholder in an offshore company registered in the British Virgin Islands. The company was reportedly co-owned with Ronald Chagori Jr., the son of billionaire businessman Ronald Chagori. This revelation has sparked a debate about the possibility of nepotism and conflicts of interest in the award of the contract. The Coastal Highway project is slated to stretch from Eko Atlantic City, a major development in Lagos, to Calabar in the Niger Delta region. The initial allocation for the project, which began already in February, was 1 trillion Nigerian naira, approximately $670 million, to cover the first 47 kilometers of the highway. The Nigerian government plans to fund up to 30% of the total project cost, which High-Tech Construction is responsible for securing the remaining 70%. Who know High-Tech, abeg, my people? Who know High-Tech? Who know High-Tech? Where we are talking about construction companies, they are bringing in High-Tech. Tinubu awarded this contract to High-Tech because of his son Seyi. Yes, that is why he awarded this contract. He gave out this contract for the sake of Seyi Tinubu. Because if we are to start weighing When construction companies, high tech is below standard and um, cannot even be listed or be mentioned. And look at the weight and the kind of projects and contract that has just been awarded to such a low construction company. Tinubu has come to gather the wealth of Nigeria to his own family. I'm telling you. And besides, who is the son that Tinubu will be allocating such a huge contract to? That's his problem. Anyway, my people, I want to reach out to you once again. Thank you for giving us your listening ear. It is a pleasure. Um, let's quickly, let's hear from you, and then let's know what your take and what your opinion and what your advice actually is on this matter. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.